What's the meaning of chip shot? Chip shot. Chip shot.
Chip shot. Chip shot. The term chip shot is commonly used in sports, specifically in golf and soccer. In both sports, it refers to a short shot that is intended to go over an obstacle and land softly near the target. In golf, a chip shot is typically used when the ball is close to the green and needs to be lifted over a bunker or other obstacle. In soccer, a chip shot is used when the goalkeeper is out of position and the ball needs to be lifted over them and into the net. The result of a successful chip shot is a soft landing with minimal roll, often resulting in a very accurate shot.